Hi guys, it's DJ. In this video, I'm going to be doing a very special video. Last video was Abby Pinkley's birthday. Hi Noah, you're nice. Yes. Anyway, if we can smash 175 subscribers, that'll be amazing. If we can get 30 likes in this video, that'd be great. So just drop a like down below. It only takes 1 second out of your day. Leave in the comments down below. Or, talking about that, if you've subscribed, leave a comment down below saying if you subscribed and ask them for a shout out. If you already have subscribed, share it on social media and share it to any of your friends, just at least one. Tell me if they've subscribed and I'll give you and them /you/her a shout out. So, enough going on about me getting popular and that. Let's get into the video. So this is merchandise. This is literally the first thing. So it's going to be a free giveaway, okay guys? So, this is it. This is the first thing. No hate comments, right, Mr. Men? Alright, it's not funny. Anyway, so, here's the DJ YouTube. Subscribe today. It's just a little wallet. Any guys in school know me. I might bring this into school, guys. So, if you like this, it's just a free giveaway. If you're one of my biggest fans, comment down below. See who the first commenter is. Might give it to them, might not. Sorry, but let's just see, okay? It's cool. It's got this epic blue zip, but honestly it's just great. You can just put your stuff in there. If anyone from school walks around with that or does a video with it or anything, I'd just be so proud. Maybe it's Bulbman, maybe it's Smokey Monkey, who's my biggest fan. Maybe it's this group of kids at lunchtime who are on that table who are in year 10/year 9/year 11 and they all shout EJ, DJ. Shout out to all them. In fact, if you bump into me, just say give me a shout, my name's so and so. I am deaf in my left ear and slightly deaf in my right ear, and that's actually a true fact, so you just scream it. Don't scream it. You know, year 11's giving me heart attacks. I've had enough of that. Anyway, yeah, so here's my merchandise. Free giveaway. If you want to talk about me giving this to you, leave a comment down below. If you enjoy, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace, guys! I don't really know how to do this, but, oh, I'll do it with the Yoda hat.